Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mahendra Arya Satria Nugroho, and today I will be presented an overview of what is inside computer and inside the computer and hardware. What is inside the computer? A computer is more than just the screen and keyboard. Inside in it has many im- important component and work together to make it function. This component can be divided in divided into hardware and internal part. One motherboard, two CPU, three memory, four storage device, device, five power supply, and six cooling system. Motherboard. Motherboard is the main board in computer. The service as the central hub connection all component. So as the CPU, RAM, graphic card, and other device, allowing the to communication with the order in addition to motherboard distribution power and manage the data flow with between components. Central processing unit or CPU. The CPU or central processing unit is the barrier of the computer. It execution instruction and process data from program, then set the result to 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 other part of the computer with who the CPU the computer can function. Next, memory or RAM or ROM. Memory in the computer refers to the component that store data and instruction, temporal and or permanent, for the CPU to access and cache. It is excellent excellent for running program, storing information, and securing the computer operation. Actually, actually, store device. Store device refers to hardware component used to store digital data. This device hold information permanent or temporal, so the computer computer can access and use is when net. Power supply and cooling system. The power supply unit or PCU convert as AC electric circuit for the wheel outlet into this DC. The different correct the computer component can cast. The cooling system help to remove heat generated by the computer component actually to CPU and GPU. Hardware. Hardware refers to all the physically and textable component of computer system the are use the performance computer text unlike software which is set intro of instruction. Hardware is something you can see, start and physically instruct with. Step of hardware: one input device, two output device, three processing device, four storage device, five networking device. Input device. Input device are hardware use us to enter data or component into an computer, so the system for the system can process them. They allow us the human and communication with the computer. Example for input device: one keyboard, mouse, two mouse, three scanner or microphone, five camera, six joystick, seven touchscreen. Device. Output device are the hardware component and computer as the delivery information or the result of the data processing back to user. They allow the computer to communication the results of processing to the user. Example of output device: monitor, printer, spec, speaker, projector, or plotter. Next, processing device. Processing device and computer hardware component the processing data or instruction enter through input device. Three main function in the convert input into output through collect, calculate, or logic. Example main processing device: one CPU, two ILU, three GPU, three GPU, four 5 RAM. Store device. Device and hardware component used to hold digital data entry entered permanent or temporary so the computer access WinNet. Example for store device: one hard disk device, two solid state driver, three USB flash driver, five flash driver, four DVD, five memory card. Network device are hardware device as the connect computer server or device in network so the can communication and share resource. Example network device: one router, two switch, three hub, four modem, five access point, six firewall. Constellation. Instead the computer free the internal component as so as the motherboard, CPU, memory, storage, and power supply. The this part are pass are responsible for processing data, storing information, and running program different. Hardware include basically part of the computer, both internal and external, like input device, computer and mouse, output device, memory, printer, monitor, printer, and storage storage device. Hardware allow user to communication with computer and see the result processing. Thank you your for activation. I have the presentation have provided and clear understanding of the actually component the make up computer system. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.